Welcome to our tutorial on how to permanently add subtitles to a video using VLC Media Player. 1. Open VLC Media Player and open the media on which you have to add subtitles. 2. Now click on the View tab and click on VLC Sub. 3. Choose your subtitle language and write the title of that video. 4. Now click on Switch by Name option. 5. You will see a list of subtitles available on the web and you will have to download it. 6. Now go to the Subtitle app and choose the subtitle that you have downloaded. 7. When you will go to Subtitle track, you will be able to see the list of those tracks. 8. When you select those tracks, you will be able to successfully see the video with the subtitles. Congratulations! You have learned how to add subtitles to a video using VLC Media Player. Thank you for watching our guide.